What's up, everybody? Tommy Casano, founder of the Outdoor Body in Olympic National Park. We're in Hoh Rainforest, and it is raining in the rainforest. And green is an understatement right now. We have an Outdoor Body peak kettlebell workout, upper body. It is going to be a shredder. It's 1 minute non-stop of an exercise. So how it's going to go down, it's going to be 1 minute row right, 1 minute row left, 1 minute row both sides. It's going to progress that way. We're going to flow through it. We're going to hit all the upper body parts. It's going to be a shredder. Remember, kettlebells, watch the tutorials. If you've never done kettlebells before, I highly recommend just sticking with body weight to start. Grab a kettlebell that you can last for 1 minute nonstop. We're going to do buys, chest, back, shoulders, everything. So we're going to start off with a kettlebell row, right side in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 1 minute. So these are a little bit more, think of isometric, which you go super slow, squeezing all the way up. We got 20 minutes non-stop. It's nice and wet here. We're in the Hall of Mosses. Let's go. Squeezing. Ooh, 30 seconds. Super slow. It's a long round. If you feel like your lower back starting to hurt, just come up a little bit and come like this, all right? No pressure ever in your lower back. It means you're not concentrating on your core. Might be breathing, might just be too heavy for you. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Let's go. Come on, let's get it. Squeezing tight. Woo! Oh yeah, 30 seconds. Come on now. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, now we're going legs together. I like to call these a spine row. Right here, squeezing, locking out. Right here, squeeze, locking out. You can come up a little bit, just like this. Not a full bent over row. Especially with 1 minute. Even with lighter weight, you can dip into your lower back. Still got dirt all over my back. Let's go, 30 seconds. Woo! 15 seconds. Back out. Squeezing. Squeezing those lats, come on. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go chest press on our back, right side first. So remember, grabbing the kettlebell like this, if it hurts your wrist, you can always grab it like that. Leg straight, we're just pressing straight up. Elbow in super tight, locking out. Feet flat. Couple of variations, you can have your legs straight, but for this purpose I want your legs flat. This hand come across, squeezing your right side. Keep your elbow in tight. You can slightly turn the kettlebell as you come up. "20 seconds. 15. Then we're just going left side. Focus solely on the chest. There's a couple variations of this where we do glute press, but this is strictly chest. And switch, left side. Let's go, straight up and down. Let's get it. Elbow in, locking out. The moss, the ferns, providing some coverage for us during the rain. 30 seconds, let's go. Squeezing. You got this. Sound of the rain is just, it's pretty beautiful right now, to be honest. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going chest in the middle, pressing out, coming down. Relax the neck. So think of the, ooh, raindrop in my eye. Think of there's a pencil right in the middle of your chest and you're trying to squeeze it as you press up. Let's go. "40 seconds. "30 seconds, let's get it. Woo! Squeezing that chest, making it pop. Come on. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming up, right here, we have upright row. So right here, front shoulder, getting into the core, front delt, squeezing tight. Oh yeah, got some dirt all over me. Feeling good, looking good. Let's get it. Straight up, straight down. You see how tight I keep it to my body? Straight up and down, focusing on those front delts, getting a little bit of the side delt, getting into the traps, this whole area. Come on. Let's go. We got this. Shredding the upper body in Hoh Rainforest. I'm actually really happy it rained. It's supposed to rain in the rainforest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. The ecosystem here is just magnificent. We're on the west side of Olympic, one giant peninsula in northern Washington. This side's so diverse. Obviously gets all the rain. 12 to 14 feet here in Hoh Rainforest. Biosphere, World Heritage Site. Protect it. Bringing you outdoor body workouts. Come on. Feeling that pump. Let's go. That's what we're supposed to be doing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it together. Let's go. Down and up. Squeeze it. We're going to burn out the shoulder, so we're going to do shoulder press right after this. With all these, if the kettlebell gets a little too heavy, just go slower. Then you can always, I love the kettlebells because you just do basically a power, pop it up. I'll show you guys after this. Making sure your elbows are high above the bell. I see a lot of people at first go like this. Nope. Bring it up. You're squeezing the traps in the shoulders. Let's go. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Grab your bell just like this. So it's going to be a press straight up. Keep your elbow in tight. You're locking straight out. You want your ear to be kind of in your armpit, not out here like that. It's not a natural movement. That's why I love the kettlebells. It's like an extension of your body, straight up, core tight, locking out. Now, I was saying before, if this gets too heavy, you can do a little power press here. So you can use your core and legs to help you with the kettlebell up. A lot of my clients do that, especially with 1 minute rounds. It can get pretty heavy, even lightweight. Let's go. Oh yeah. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Told you we're burning. ISO. Woo. Locking out. If it gets heavy too, one thing, another trick, squeeze your fist on the right side, locking out just like that. "30 seconds. "20 seconds. Let's go. 15. 2, 1. We're going to polish it off with just a shrug. So kettlebells right here, shrug, straight up. Shrug, straight up. So you want your shoulders actually to hit your ears, just like that. So shrug, straight up. Shrug, straight up. Traps, shoulders, keeping your core tight, belly button to spine. We got 40 seconds left. Let's go. So imagine your shoulders hitting your ears and just coming straight up, and you're holding for 2 to 3 seconds, locking out. 1, 2, coming straight down. There you go. Burning those shoulders out. Let's go. 20 seconds left. Woo! Here in Hoh Rainforest. 15 seconds. Let's get it. Squeezing tight. 10 seconds left. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go into our triceps now. So right side, kettlebell right here, you're locking out, you're coming down. Locking out, coming down. So straight down, straight up. Try and keep your elbow in tight and lock out just like that. Let's go. This is 1 minute. This is gonna burn. This is gonna burn real good. So make sure there's no pressure on your shoulder, okay? You can always stabilize with the other hand or right in there if you need to, just like that. If it gets too heavy, we're going nice and slow, hitting those horseshoes. 20 seconds. Go slow on these ones, especially overhead. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. I like doing these on my knees too because it's more stabilization. It really helps you focus on squeezing those triceps. When you're standing, sometimes you can get into the legs a little bit instead of a concentration. Depending on your shoulder flexibility, you can come straight in or out. I'm a slightly tilted. Shoulders are pretty tight from years of powerlifting through college football. 30 seconds, let's go. Lock it out. There you go. Woo! 20 seconds, let's get it. 15 seconds, let's go. 10 seconds, squeezing tight. Burning those triceps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna burn out with both. So grabbing the kettlebell just like that, elbows in, locking out, coming all the way down. 1 minute non-stop. Let's go. Squeezing tight, down, lock out. Triceps should be burning. They better be burning. Come on. Super slow. That's why we go lighter weight, lighter kettlebell. More on form and concentration. 1 minute non-stop. Let's go. 20 seconds. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, 1. Nice. Now we got bicep curls. So right here, we're just going straight up, staying on the knees. If you want to, you can stand up. I just like really focusing on concentrating on that muscle movement for this type of workout. If you can't do it this way, if it's lighter, you can always grab the kettlebell and go like that also. Super slow. Concentrating on those biceps. Let's get it. 30 seconds. Woo! 20. 15. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Let's go. Right here. Squeezing tight. See that bicep coming straight up. Let's go. All day. Come on. Sometimes when you're standing, you kind of lean into it with your legs. This really helps you focus on concentrating just on the bicep, especially with a kettlebell with this type of movement. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Coming up. So we got right here, I want you to get in a squat. You're just gonna bicep curl just like that. See my elbows? They're in my inner thighs and just squeezing just like that. Concentration curl on the biceps. Locking out. Coming in. Forward again. Almost there. Come on. 30 seconds. Ooh. Come on. 20 seconds left. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Standing up right here, coming across around the world, just going the right side. This one we're going to split up 30 seconds each side. Then we're going to finish off with my favorite exercise, kettlebell swings. Let's go. Squeezing tight, one more. Other side, 30 seconds. Focus on belly button to spine, squeezing the upper body. Let's go. Almost there. Kettlebells, we're going to do 30-30 each side. Right side 30, left side 30. Polish off that upper body. We'll get into the glutes and core a little bit, but round out this workout. Here we go. So make sure when you're popping up, squeezing, hit those shoulders, hit the core, flexing everything right here. Let's go. 30 seconds right, 30 seconds left. Finish strong. 15 seconds. Let's go. 10 seconds. Our swing burnout. 2, 1, other side. Let's go. 30. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! There's our upper body burner. Remember, a mobility before, stretching after. You can always do it 2 times, make it a 40-minute upper body kettlebell workout. Thank you for joining me in Hoh Rainforest and Olympic National Park. You have to come visit if you've never been. It's diverse, the ecosystems are amazing, and this is an absolute marvel. Hoh Rainforest, it's stunning. I'll see y'all next time for the outdoor body workout. Stay wild.